Hi there, and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be looking at lesson 12.4, using similar triangles. Today's notes will have 7 things in them, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we want to make sure we know is the angles of similar figures. They have the exact same angle measurements. They may not exactly be the same size, but they are going to be the same shape and they are going to have the same angles. So just make sure that you copy this down for number 1. We're going to go and pause the video now, and if you want to draw the picture, you can as well. Once you're done, click play so we can try numbers 2. Alright, so number 2 has 3 parts to it, to A, B, C. You're going to tell me whether the triangles are similar and then to just explain why or why not. So let's go ahead and pause the video now so you can try A, B, and C, and once you're done, click play. Okay, so for letter A, those are going to be yes, similar, because they have the same angles. Notice that the triangles have just been flipped around. You still have 75 in this corner and 50 in the other corner. Okay, for letter B, that's also going to be a yes. You did have to maybe realize just a little bit of math here, but when you are solving this one, what I did is I took 54 plus 63, got 117, and then I said 180 minus 117 to see if it matched with the other one, and it does. It gives me 63. So I know 63 plus 63 plus 54 will give me 180. So that's yes, all angles are the same. For letter C, though, you notice something a little bit different. What I did is I took these two in the larger one, 90 plus 38. I know 90 plus 38 is 128, and then I just subtracted 128 from 80, and I got 52. 52 is not this angle, so for letter C, the answer is no, because angles aren't the same. Okay, so you did have to do a little bit of math there for the last one, but that's okay. Still a very easy concept. We're going to go and try the same thing with numbers 3 and 4. Again, tell whether they're similar, and then explain your answer why. Let's go ahead and pause the video now so you can try 3 and 4, and once you're done, click play. Okay, so for number 3, what I did again is I just picked 2 angles. This time I added 28 and 80. I know 28 plus 80 is going to give me 108. And then I just took 180 and subtracted 108 from that to see if it would also give me the other angle measurement in the other triangle. And that actually gives me 72, which is not equal to 71. So number 3 is no, because angles aren't the same. Okay. For number 4, I completed it the same exact way. I took 66 and added 90. And we get 156, and then I took 180 and subtracted 156 and got 24, and that does match the third angle here in the smaller one. So number 4 is yes, because angles are the same. Okay. The next piece is we're going to talk about whenever you have 2 similar triangles and you're trying to find a missing side. Remember that similar triangles or any similar figures are proportional. So what you're going to do is try to find the missing side here. Notice that it does say they are similar, and so you're just trying to find x. Be careful because it looks like the triangles have been flipped. So let's go ahead and take the time now to pause the video here so you can try to solve for x, and once you're done, click play. Okay, so for what I did for this one is I still drew the larger triangle like normal. 60 feet is here and 50 feet at the base, but then I flipped up the smaller one, and 40 feet is still at the base, and x is my missing side. And then I just wrote a proportion. 60 over 50 is equal to x over 40, and then cross multiplied to solve. I know 60 times 40 is 2400. And then 50 times x is 50x, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 50 so that x is equal to 48. So 48 should be my answer for number 5. Okay. Number 6 is going to be very similar, except this time we're changing A to B to be 55 feet. So again, we're still going to solve for x here. You can set it up the same way I did in number 5. Go ahead and take time now to pause the video, try number 6, and once you're done, click play to check your work. Okay, so for this one, again, I just thought of the two triangles just being flipped around to be facing one another so I could see the corresponding sides. I know that 55 feet is the side A to B, and 50 feet is the base still. 40 feet is still the base, and X is what we're solving for again. My proportion looked like this. 55 over 50 is equal to X over 40. I cross multiplied. I know 55 times 40 is 2200, and then 50 times X is 50X. And then I divided both sides by 50, so that X is equal to 44. So my answer should be 44 feet for that measurement right here. Okay? The last one, just to review, are the two triangles similar, and explain. Let's go ahead and pause our notes right now for number 7. Try it, and once you're done, click play to check your work. Okay, so what I did here is I took the smaller triangle, and I took 94 plus 48, and that gives me 142, and then you just subtract 180 minus 142, and we get 38. So, yes, they are similar because all angles are the same, or all angles match, or all are equal. Okay? That is going to conclude our notes for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you have those 7 things written down in your notes, and we'll catch you next time. Bye!